Welcome to the Azalea floor plan. My name is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Today we are going to take a tour of this beautiful new construction home here in Clinton, South Carolina. The Azalea has 1,260 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, open floor plan with vaulted ceiling in the living room. There's luxury vinyl tile throughout this home. Gas range comes with a 30-year architectural shingles. There's a gas tankless water heater attached to the home as well. There's an attached storage area in the back of the home also. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Beautiful home, isn't it? So if you are interested in this Azalea floor plan or any other new construction floor plans, give us a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.